Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday afternoon and it's time for another pour. Today I'm going to be pouring over this old pour that I did with some copper. It didn't actually work out too well or how I wanted. I used a balloon effect here on these little rings. I mean it's nice, but I've decided I'm going to go over all the canvases that are sort of only medium to good and just keep all the good ones. Right, so today we're going to be doing an open ring pour. Actually got some new paints from Dela Rowney, simply acrylic. Found them on takealot.com and they're about 20 rand cheaper than those other iris paints I was using. So yeah, we're going to give it a go today. And the other thing that I've done is I've added a bit more Floetrol into my mix. I just want to see if it has any effect on how the cells form. So the colors we're using today is just straight yellow, light purple, a blue and a darker purple, and my base color is going to be a light gray. So let's get going. As you can see, I've made this fairly runny. I want to see if I can get some nice designs coming up. Keep some of that for later. Just spread this all out. There we go. Sarah has just come to join the party, so say hello, Sarah.
Hello.
That's my wife, by the way. So yeah, let's see how this is going to work. I'm just going to blow a torch and get rid of the bubbles. There we go. Looks good. Right, let's get the show on the road. Drop that right in the middle. Another layer around the outside. There we go. And now I'm just going to start with the colors. I've actually made these paints fairly thin, just to see what's going to happen with them. I can't see any coming out just yet. It normally starts coming out, but maybe the seal is too good, but that's fine. Not really saying much. I'm just concentrating on pouring the colors in and seeing what's going to happen. Oh, there's a lot of bits in that blue, unfortunately. Back to the purple. Not getting as much cell formation as I thought I would with the extra Floetrol, but it's still going to look good, I think. There we go. Oh, we're starting to get a nice rainbow effect. And the paint's coming through. I think that's about it. Have a look now. Just move this around a bit so don't get the thing in the middle. There we go. Right, move these out the way. Gloves on. Ooh, I think that's going to look good. I wonder if I should torch it first. I think maybe I should. There we go. Not as many as I thought actually, but still, let's see what happens. Check that I'm in the right position. It looks almost like a peacock feather. Mm. think I've finally started to get the paint quantities right. There's a couple of paintings I did where there was not enough paint on the canvas, which was pretty annoying. It's looking good, yeah. Let's try and cover this corner here. How's that front looking?
Fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, I'll clean up those edges. Just get this into the middle now. There we go. Yeah. Right, that looks great. I haven't actually had an effect like this before, I must say. So I'm quite happy with it. Let's see if we can get any more cells come out. There you have it, guys. It's almost like a rainbow effect. I quite like it. Oil on water, maybe, in the sunlight. Maybe that's what I'll call it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share the link to my videos with any of your friends. And hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm going to give you a close-up now. Actually, I forgot to say, during the week I did some experimenting on some coasters with the lacing effect, and they actually turned out really well. So I'm going to cut to that now so you can see them. So guys, these are the coasters I made with using the lacing effect. The colors I used were dark blue, light blue and red, as you can see. They actually turned out really nicely. This is my favorite one. Very Spider-Man-ish. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to be doing a few more of those in the future. Back to the show then. So yeah, those are really cool looking coasters. My only issue is that a few of them are starting to sort of bow a bit in the middle. Not a lot, but they're not as flat as they were, and I guess it's the paint that's just putting some pressure on the one side, so I'm going to have to really investigate that. But yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up of this now. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and see you next week. Cheers.